So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your TNG account to SVIP Plus using eID system. Press normal button on the upper part. After you press normal button, press pending or submission, and here you need to press start apply. Okay, after start apply, you need to input your login password, 8-digit or more than 8-digit login password. Not the PIN number, make sure not the PIN number. And after you input your verification code, here you need to choose which country you are from. If you're Filipino, press Philippines. And here the nationality is Philippines. And this one is showing you how you're going to scan your Hong Kong ID card front and back, and also your face. Okay. So take a photo now. So here you need to make sure.
Now capture the front side of your Hong Kong ID card.
Use the front of Hong Kong ID card. Make sure no reflection and not blurred. If it's blurred or reflection, retake now. And then do it again in the same way.
Capture ID success.
Okay. So there we go. So after that, if everything is good, press continue. And here you need to continue to scan your face. Okay.
Please blink. Two, one. Blink again.
That's it. Upload successfully. After that, once it's done, you need to input your Hong Kong address in Hong Kong. So if you're living in the building, so flat, room, it's A, B, C, D, whatever you want. Floor, which floor you are living. And if your building have a face, block, or tower, input the number or alphabetic. If not, just leave it like that. And the second one, you need to input your building name. If you're living at home, you need to input house number. And the flat option, you need to put house, and the floor is G if it's house. If it's a building, just input the building name and other information. Here you need to input the street number and the street name of your area, and comma with which place you are. If you are from Central, Wan Chai, North Point, so this place is from North Point. And then here, which district you are living. You are from Hong Kong Island, New Territory, or Kowloon. So the North Point is from Hong Kong Island. So after that, everything is done. Press next. Here, your job status. If you are OFW, you need to press Foreign Domestic Helper. And here, your monthly salary income is 5,000 to 9,000. The second one option. Purpose of account, remittance, of course, daily expenses, shopping, SIM top up, and cash withdrawal. And after that, press next. Primary top up channel, of course, cash top up always. Next. And then here your income source is salary. Next. So here you need to double confirm your details before you confirm. If everything is done, press confirm. And then back to wallet. Here you need to check your status of your account. You can press normal membership again to check your status of your account. So here you can see application is under review. You need to wait for 1 to 2 working days. 1 to 2 working days for approval. And after that, once you see this normal membership is SVIP Plus, it's mean you are fully verified customer. That's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. Like I always say, TNG, make your life easier. Bye guys. Thank you.